Hi friends! Today, since we had a book about the wind and springtime, I thought I would come outside. It's a windy day outside, and I thought we could look at some of the things that the wind does. I have some wind chimes right here, and you can hear the wind blowing them and making sound. They move when the wind blows, and it makes a pretty sound. Do you have wind chimes at your house? You can see the wind is blowing my hair too. Whoosh, the wind blows. See if it blows now. There it goes. And I have lots of trees around my house. You see the wind blowing the trees? Yeah. And I brought something fun outside. I thought you could see the wind blow my feathers. Look, I have feathers in my hand. There they go. So I thought maybe you'd want to go outside today and do some fun things in the wind. See if the wind blows your hair. If you have a hat on, you better hold it on your head so that it doesn't blow off. Make sure you wear your sunscreen when you go outside too. Have fun on this beautiful windy day. Go out before it rains. Bye-bye, friends.